Hi guys, this is David Coleman for WP Mayor. Today we're going to look at a WordPress form builder called CaptainForm from the people at 123 Contact Form. Now CaptainForm comes in both a free and premium version. We're going to go ahead and load the free version to get started. So you click Add New, do a search for CaptainForm, and it should be the only result. Click Install Now, and then go ahead and activate the plugin. After you click on the CaptainForm icon, you'll see the ability to start a free account. You also see a space where you can enter a paid license key, and below that you see you can compare the premium plans, and we have a paid license key, so let's enter that and click Activate. Now let's take a quick overview of CaptainForm. Now My Forms is where you will manage your different forms. New Form is of course where you can start a new form. My Account will show you your payment and account details. You can change, upgrade your plans, or you can send them an email. You have your New Form button to start creating new forms. You can view your forms as a list or as a group. And moving down to the end, you can see you can sort oldest, latest by name. You can show 10, 20, 50, 100 at a time, and you can search your forms. Down here you can see they have live chat. If you click on that, you can ask them questions. They have links to knowledge base, support, and more here. Now if we look at their knowledge base, you can see it's very extensive. They show you how to get started, setting up your form, form styling, add-ons, and more. Support allows you to send them a support ticket. And they also have a quick tour, which is a video that you can watch full screen if you wish. Here's a quick peek without the audio. And so they have support pretty well covered. CaptainForm comes with over 30 customizable forms. You can do blank forms, contact forms, event registrations, e-commerce payment forms right here. You can do surveys. You can do quizzes for fun or educational reasons. You can take votes from your audience, and lots of other forms. And within this drop menu, you can see all the different forms that the plugin offers. Like I said, over 30. And all of these are customizable. You can change them. You can use them to get up and running, and then make them however you'd like from there. And as you can see previews of these forms. Let's take a look at the survey. It comes already with information, and you can go ahead and change all that information. Now in the My Account section is your account details, whether you have data encryption on and off, your payment details, what plan you're on. This plan is the Hero plan, and you get 100,000 monthly submissions with that. You can buy SMS credits, so you can get notified of form submissions through text. You can buy more storage. You can cancel or change your subscriptions. And you can change your plan through this area, and you can compare the different plans. The regular is the free plan. You have the apprentice, the master plan. And there's subtle differences between these. Of course, more functionality and features with the higher plans. And if you look on their site down below, you can get even more specifics about the differences between each plan. And below that are some basic frequently asked questions. And down on the support link is where you can send a support ticket, look at their knowledge base, take that tour we were talking about, and more. Now let's look at the form building process for CaptainForm. Start by clicking on the New Form button, and let's pick one of their templates to use. Again, there's quite a variety. If we go to the Other Forms section, let's go down here and pick a newsletter subscription form. And this is their layout. And we're going to begin and edit the form. We can click on a field. We'll click on that one, our headline. Let's get rid of this horizontal bar and put in some information. Get our best secrets every week. That'll be our headline. Let's make that Arial black and a bigger font size. We'll center that. Make it a purple color, and let's add an image. Putting in a URL for our image. And beneath that we'll add another little subheadline. Increase your profits by 200% with one simple change. And let's make that a little smaller. It'll be Arial. We'll make it 18 point. Make that black, centered. Let's add a horizontal rule and save that. And let's bring in a field. They have basic fields and advanced fields. We'll put in an HTML block. We can drag and drop that wherever we wish. And let's put in receive our special guide, 10 steps to financial freedom. Let's make that 18 points centered, and let's change the color of 10 steps to financial freedom. Save that. So you can see how quickly you can set up a form. And then here's the layouts area. We can change the form width. We'll drag that up to make it a little wider. You can determine your label placement, where you want to put your instructions. After adding and editing your fields, the next step is to go into settings. This is where the power is with third-party apps, payment gateways, themes, and more. You can't edit the themes that CaptainForm provides, but you can make a custom theme by duplicating one of the existing themes, and that's what we'll do here. And we'll just name it My Theme. And then now we can edit the theme, and we'll go down to the buttons section and change the color for the submit button. We'll make that match the color of our graphic and save the changes. Now the final basic step for creating a form is to publish it, and there's 4 ways to do that. One is to copy and paste into a page or post the short code, or you can make a sidebar widget. You can make a function call within the theme itself, or you can do a pop-up based on text or clicking on an image or a floating button, or you can do an automatic pop-up, which we'll do in this case. The default is 3 seconds. We'll leave it at that. And then we're going to publish our shortcode on a page or a post, so we'll go ahead and select the shortcode. And let's go make a page, a new page. Give it any title you want here. Test page. And let's go down here and paste in our shortcode for our pop-up. Let's publish that. And let's go take a look and view the page. So about 3 seconds in, we got our pop-up up, and there you go. Get our best secrets every week, increase your profits by 200% with one simple change. And when they fill in the email, and they can select HTML or text, your message has been sent. This can be customized. And when you go to your email inbox, you'll see the information from the form, the email, the name, IP address, and some other information. Now let's take a look at third-party apps and how they can be combined with the form we just made. You see all the different categories of third-party apps. Let's look at email marketing. And if you roll over, you can see import emails and leads into MailChimp lists. If you're part of MailChimp, you can enter your MailChimp API key, and you can connect MailChimp with the form we just made so that when people sign up, they automatically go to your MailChimp list. Let's go look at My Forms. This is where you manage all the forms you made. If you go over to the right side, you can see you can make the form active, inactive, or customize it by choosing make it always active, make it inactive, make it active between certain dates and times, make it active only for me for perhaps testing purposes, make it active on certain days of the week. So lots of options for activating your forms. And these icons right here, this is to duplicate the form, this is to rename the form, and this is for deleting the form. Let's click this arrow and we can see we can go to our edit screen, we can view our form, we can go to the settings screen, the publish screen we're just on. We can look at the form submissions. And right now we only have the one submission that I just made. Gives you the email, the preferred HTML, IP, country, the browser used, and other information. And let's go back and look at reports. Now, CaptainForm automatically makes reports for you, and we don't have a whole lot of information here as we're just demoing the plugin, but you can edit reports, you can save your reports as PDF files, and you can select among multiple reports. Before we wrap up this review, let's go back and take a look at some more of these templates that CaptainForm offers. You can preview the templates. Here's a quiz. You can incorporate images. You can customize it however you want, including CSS. Let's take a look at an order form for e-commerce. Again, this is the basic layout. Let's look at surveys. Preview survey. And let's look at one more. Job application. This is the fields. Let's preview it. And it's very basic, and you can customize it however you wish. Lots and lots of options. Overall, there's just a lot to like about CaptainForm. Between the third-party apps, including the payment gateways and all the email marketing programs, the themes, and all the fields you can customize, the basic and advanced fields. And if you're a freelancer or an agency that handles lots of different client forms, CaptainForm allows you to control all of those forms from your own WordPress installation. So this is a well-designed and well-put-together program. If you're looking for an easy way to create powerful forms for your WordPress site, take a look at CaptainForm. This is David Coleman for WP Mayor.